It's time to clean and put away yesterday's haul. This rug is one of my favorite finds from yesterday, so we need to clean it before we can put it in the house. My favorite way to clean any kind of rug is the Bissell Little Green, so let's get started. The rug didn't look that dirty, but look at that water. So gross. It's done, and now we are gonna put her in the sun to dry. I was so excited to find a hand mixer yesterday. I have been wanting one for a very long time. This is a pretty good brand. It's Hamilton Beach. So we're just gonna wipe it down and see if it works. Actually, it would make more sense to test it first before we put in the effort of cleaning it. Okay, here we go. All right, so far so good. Let's put these guys in and see what happens. I mean, the directions are still in here. Whoever had this obviously took very good care of it. Pretend we're mixing something. It works. It's got a very small scuff mark right here. Magic eraser is really good for stuff like that. Look at that. It's brand new. Couple over here. Perfect. These items we can put in the dishwasher. Next, I think we're going to tackle this shelf. This shelf is another find that I'm super excited about. I think that this is a really easy fix, and I think we're going to jazz it up just a little bit. Before we can do any jazzing, we need to fix this first. And again, I think this is going to be a really easy fix. I've got a couple of little screws here, so I think that they are going to fit. So let's get to work. What's great is where it kind of had cracked right here is towards the back of the shelf where it hangs on the wall. So it's really not even noticeable anyways. There's already a screw on here from where it was broken, but it's not going all the way through to the top. So we're gonna replace it. The only thing I don't like about this shelf is that this is just cheap particle board, and it looks like maybe it was a little bit stained. So I think I have a fix for this. We're gonna try some Rub and Buff. I have a little hack. Get off my couch. While I'm working, I just need you to see this dog. You're doing a great job, Lola. Thank you. I have a little hack for how I like to hang things because I despise measuring. So first, I'm going to take some painter's tape, and we are going to put it all the way across and put it just under where we would hang it. Then I'm going to take a pencil. I'm going to mark right where the hole would be. Then I'm going to take this guy and make sure that it is straight. Now we're ready to drill. The rug is dry, so let's bring it inside. We are currently renting, and this is the situation of the kitchen floor. You can see how this whole area right here, it's a different tile in the middle, and it has a lot of chips in it. So I was hoping that a larger rug would kind of hide this. It's definitely not perfect. It needs to be a little bit wider, but for now, this works until I can find something better. I was so excited to find this heart mug. It's gonna look so cute with all of my Valentine's decor, but first we're gonna put it in the dishwasher. It's OxyClean time. I knew when I saw this pillow that it was going to be another OxyClean project. Luckily, it unzips, so it's going to be really easy to wash. We're going to take the insert out, and we're going to soak this for a couple hours in some OxyClean. I learned my lesson last time. We are not going to waste OxyClean, so we're going to put this in here first. Then we're going to start putting in our water. This is about 2 gallons. So we're gonna do 2 scoops of OxyClean. Can you already see how gross that water is getting? I'm gonna swish it around a little bit. And I think I'm gonna turn it over so that this side soaks more. Oh, this water is disgusting already. All right, and then we're just gonna let this sit for a couple of hours. While our pillow is soaking, we're going to wash some of our linens. I'm also going to wash the inside of that pillow. I can't read the directions. They are completely faded. So wish me luck. I think it will be fine. So we'll put this guy in. These towels actually were in really good shape. They don't have any stains. We're gonna throw those in. And then we've got our sheets for our top secret project. This one's for all my 80s babies. You know what this is. I have been looking for a VCR, and believe it or not, they're really hard to find right now. I see them on Marketplace, but they're pretty overpriced. I spent just under $7 on this. It was a little more than I wanted to spend, but hopefully it works and it will be worth it. I've got a spot right on my TV stand, so let's get it set up. The only cords that I could find were the ones with the 3 colors. But as you can see, this only takes 2. So I'm not going to use the red one. I'm hoping that it will still work. We want video out and audio out. And they're going to go in there. We've got lights on, so that's a good sign. Okay, it's on. Now let's see if it's gonna come up. As an option. All right, so AV2. I grabbed a VHS so that we can test this. And of course, the one I grabbed wasn't rewound, so this should be fun. Pop it in. Okay, it's working. Let's turn the volume up. All right, since we know it works, let's try one of my baby videos. Oh my goodness. I love when I find records at the bins because they're only 50 cents. This Ray Charles one looked like it was in pretty good shape, so let's give it a whirl. It's a little dusty, so we're gonna wipe it off first. Now it just needs to pass the smell test. Good. It's not musty at all. It doesn't smell moldy or mildewy. This is not always the case when I find records at the bins, so I'm gonna put this record back in its sleeve and put it away. All of my records are organized alphabetically, so let's see here. C for Charles is gonna go in between Bridgerton and Dave Matthews Band. Our mug is all clean, so now we're gonna style it with our other Valentine's decor. I'm gonna set it on its side so that you can see the shape. All right, this is ready to go in the dryer. Next, we have a couple more items to wash. I'm gonna wash all of this on cold. This one says dry clean only, but I'm gonna wash it on cold.
I do whatever I want.
Hello?
What's your favorite scary movie?
I think you have the wrong number. I'm not the only one really excited about these cordless phones. My daughters are very excited to be able to take the phone into their room to talk to their friends. So we need to see if they work. This is the phone that we have right now. I also got this from the bin. It's a little bit staticky. And you can't really walk around with it. Okay, now we need to put this phone on there to charge. This bin of stuff to be listed has a bunch of Build-A-Bear stuff. So we are going to put our little shoes in this bin. This candle holder that I found is gonna go in Christmas decor, and I think I have some room in that bin. These kitchen towels were too dark to wash with the other towels, so I'm just gonna set them aside in the dirty laundry, and when I have enough, then I will wash them. Our first batch of laundry is done. Now we're gonna put all these items in the dryer, and we're gonna do them on delicate. Time to check on our pillow cover. This water is so nasty. This case is looking pretty good, so I think we are ready to throw it in the wash. Both of these items are for fall, so I'm gonna put them in my bin for fall linens. It's almost Valentine's Day, so I have the perfect spot for this runner. I told you that I had a plan for this tray, so let's get to work. I always use these little nozzle attachments. Makes it so much easier. This project for right now is a total bust. I don't know what is wrong with this spray paint. It came out all chalky, and then just big globs of it started dripping. Look at that. Super, super chalky. So for now, this is gonna go with the project bin stuff, and I will try to figure out a way to salvage it at another time. This looks so much better. So now we're gonna put it in the dryer. I found this little mirror and I'm not sure what I want to do with it yet. For now, I'm just gonna clean it off and set it on a shelf. Pillowcase is all clean and dry. There's still a very slight yellow stain, which is very frustrating. I don't know how to get this out because I soaked it in OxyClean for several hours. So if you have any tips on how to get this out, let me know in the comments. But for now, I am going to use this little razor guy to clean up some of this pilling. It has been a very long and productive day. I hope that you are enjoying these videos as much as I am enjoying making them. I hope that you will like and subscribe, and I'll thrift you later.